Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-tackling a big question. Is it really possible to make $1,000 a day online with affiliate marketing? The short answer is yes, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes strategy, hard work, and consistency. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact blueprint you can follow to build a profitable affiliate marketing business from scratch. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. First things first, what even is affiliate marketing? Simply put, you promote other companies' products. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of this model is that you don't have to create products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Your job is to be the trusted middleman. So, how do you go from $0 to $1,000 a day? The first step is choosing the right niche. This is crucial. Don't just chase the highest commissions. Pick a niche you're genuinely interested in or know a lot about. It could be anything from fitness and nutrition to personal finance to pet care, or even software reviews. Why is passion important? Because you'll be creating a lot of content, and if you don't enjoy the topic, you'll burn out fast. A profitable niche is one where people are actively looking for solutions to their problems and are willing to spend money on those solutions. Once you've picked your niche, step 2 is to find high-quality affiliate programs. You can start with big networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Razel, but don't overlook independent affiliate programs from specific brands you love and trust. Look for products with good commission rates, a solid reputation, and marketing materials that will help you succeed. Remember, you're recommending these products to your audience, so your credibility is on the line. Only promote things you genuinely use yourself. Now, for the most important part, building your platform and creating valuable content. This is where you attract your audience. You can't just spam your affiliate links everywhere and expect to make money. You need to provide real value first. The goal is to build trust and authority. You can do this by starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or growing a following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Let's say you chose the fitness niche. You could create blog posts like the top 5 treadmills for small apartments or YouTube videos reviewing different protein powders. The key is to create content that helps your audience solve a problem or make an informed decision. Within this helpful content, you can naturally place your affiliate links. For example, in your treadmill review video, you can link to each treadmill you discuss in the description box. So, how do you scale this to $1,000 a day? It's a numbers game. Let's do some quick math. If you're promoting a product that pays a $50 commission, you'd need to make 20 sales per day to hit your goal. To get 20 sales, you might need a few thousand clicks on your links. And to get those clicks, you'll need tens of thousands of people viewing your content every day. This is where traffic generation comes in. Initially, focus on search engine optimization or SEO. This means optimizing your blog posts and YouTube videos with keywords people are searching for. This brings in free organic traffic over time. As you start earning some income, you can reinvest it into paid advertising like Facebook ads or Google ads to accelerate your growth. You can also build an email list. An email list is a powerful asset because it gives you a direct line of communication with your most loyal followers, allowing you to promote offers directly to them. To sum it up, pick a profitable niche you're passionate about. Find great affiliate products to promote. Build a platform like a blog or YouTube channel. Consistently create high-value content that helps your audience. Drive traffic to your content through SEO and eventually paid ads. And finally, build an email list to nurture your audience. It's not an overnight process, but by following these steps consistently, building a $1,000-a-day affiliate marketing business is absolutely achievable. I hope this guide has given you a clear roadmap to get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on building your online business. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.